So the Max 2 is a burr that I've been using for a while. It's the metal cutting burr. And in dentistry now, most of the restorations that we make no longer have metal in them, but we still have to remove a lot of old restorations that either have decay under them or they've failed in some way. The Max 2 is both durable and also very precise. The reason is that once you've gotten down to the metal surface, you don't want the burr to skip across the surface, because then you can be unpredictable in whether you're going to kind of nick the patient's cheek. You don't want that to happen. So it's very, very stable when going across the tooth, unlike some other types that we've typically used, fissure burrs, pear-shaped burrs. For some reason, both the shape and the flutes on it are very, very well designed, and the thing moves smoothly across the surface. Now, these I only use once also, like most of my instruments, so whether they degrade a bit, I assume since you're cutting through metal, if you use them over and over again, they're probably not going to be as predictable. But when right out of the box, very predictable. I never really worry about how I'm going to get an old metal crown off of somebody's tooth. They come off perfectly.